time has come, Benjamin. The duel for the fate of the multiverse. Good luck, my friend.
Brought to you by Rogue.
When Tom said, "Why don't you come play cards?" I said, "Let's do it."
Chief?
Winston? How is it possible? No. You're not him.
I'm from the main universe. Chief, what happened here?
They destroyed everything. In the blink of an eye. I could only protect this area, but their bodies still couldn't survive. I'm the only one left.
What happened to me? The clone version of me.
Leave me alone. Winston? So it worked?
No, it didn't.
What do you mean? You're right in front of me. Alive. Winston, whatever you're going through, I need you to stay strong. This is our only way.
I tried, Chief. I tried. Every time. I tried. But I couldn't save anything. Reviving me was a mistake, Chief. I can't do this anymore.
Winston.
We can't let Sinister escape. The only way to keep him locked is to not revive me. Chief, I'm tired.
Fine. I won't revive you.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I saw everything. I'm not looking to blame anyone for the past, but why are you now sitting there doing nothing like you've reached your happy ending? You're strong enough to go back in time, so why?
The outcome won't change.
Any outcome is better than this? Are you serious? Answer me! What's even the point of you being the only one alive while everyone else is dead?
You don't understand. My existence means that death was not in vain. I can't die, even if it means to stay alone for eternity.
Existence is the problem of the whole multiverse. We're just too weak to find a better solution. History is destroying multiple universes, and you are the reason
My
of it.
existence means the sacrifice of my friends to revive me wasn't in vain.
Those who answer the call of the vagabond know that the best stories aren't about where you went.
You need a future.
Oopsie, my bad. It just happened to be so, accidental.
Mr. Clock, you seriously gotta stop trying to outfreak that zombie guy!
Well, excuse me, but being freaky and being suspicious are completely two different things. But I suppose you haven't found him yet. Don't you think Ethan's getting so obsessed with this guy? It's just getting so exhausting. You know what? I didn't see anything. Oh no, the anomalies with such sad backstories. How tragic. Not. Guys, I created you for entertainment and y'all are doing nothing! Being a punching bag doesn't count! Like, come on, what's so entertaining about a one-sided, boring fight? You can't fully enjoy that. You know, if you can't shine, then at least make a cool scene where others can shine. Enter the portal. Be a good boy and don't disappoint me, okay? They have high expectations.
Hello? Ouch. Well, this is not the best way to treat a lady, don't you think?
What's even the point?
Winston, I'm not here to fight. Ethan would get mad, but
Doesn't matter anymore. I'll do it.
huh? You'll do what?
Killing myself. Do you want me to be more specific? I'll tell Chief to not revive me.
Wow. What happened to all that determination earlier?
I went to the clone universe. I saw everything.
Well, as I said before, there are infinite possibilities for future events. So, whatever happened to the clone universe doesn't necessarily mean that.
You know what my main power is? Not just traveling through the time. It's the ability to see far into the future. And you know what I saw when I did that? My purpose was to stop the aliens from destroying my universe, not dealing with Sinister. In fact, in the future I saw Sinister never escaped. The tower, the Big Ben, was not supposed to be destroyed. None of this made sense. It's either that Sinister's powers are behind mine, or my powers are just incredibly messed up.
Did you try to look into the future again? You know, after Sinister arrived?
No, I can't. It's not that I can't, it's that I'm afraid. I fear the ending I'm about to see is something inevitable.
Winston, I know fear. Trust me when I tell you the biggest fear is having regret for not trying.
And what if the future is worse than what we imagine?
Then we'll die trying, together, until the end. Winston?
I found a way.
is it just me, or you can't make a portal as well?
It must be the dust.
Why is this thing even here? It should be in the void.
You gotta fight it.
I could do time tricks, but I'm afraid my powers aren't suitable for combat.
What do you mean? What's your main power?
It's basically convincing people to do what I say. Not hypnotizing, but more like manipulation. That's how I achieved peace in my universe. Now, can't you do anything about it yourself? Come on, don't you want to impress a clock lady?
I'm just wondering if you used that power on me earlier.
I would prefer not to answer that.
Answer what?
Oh my goodness, you freak!
It's pretty natural for a zombie to scare people, don't you think?
I suppose you're here for me.
I wouldn't know. I was just stalking the beautiful clock.
Are you serious?
Just kidding. Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows? Somehow this uncertainty reminds me of the time I got infected. It all started. As I was saying, when I was bitten, it was only a matter of time for me to reverse the infection. But then I got curious. Curious to see if the infection will drive me crazy. If it would actually challenge me. I'm talking. And so when time was moving slowly, I made my final decision and embraced the virus. And then, ta-da! Seems like it wasn't much of a challenge to control the virus. But I kinda became weaker compared to when I wasn't infected. But who cares about strength? Curiosity would have killed me faster if I wouldn't give it a try. Oh my, that's one big mess, isn't it? Don't tell Ethan. In fact, don't tell anyone. Bye.
Never thought I'd say he impressed me. In a weird way.
That's not the point. Listen, I need you to convince Ethan. Tell him to help my Clock Titan. He will get the Astral Sword and Sinister will be ready for it. I have to be gone for a while.
Winston, I'm sorry, but I don't really want to use my powers on my friends.
You used it on me though, didn't you?
That's something I can't answer. It's all up to your judgment, I guess.
Fine. Tell these to Ethan. This is how we can defeat Sinister.
For moi,
Claude, you can talk?
I've always had the gift of gab.
It's Champion's power. I know why Ethan would rather I sacrifice myself. Because even if we defeat Sinister, the lives and universes he has destroyed won't return. But that's not true. Champion made a final act before he died. He made an order. It's a power similar to my Clock Titan. Only with the difference that Champion has mastered using that ability in the right way. His order was that when his killer is dead, all his actions shall be reversed no matter what. I assume this means when Sinister is dead, Champion's spirit goes free and will do the job. Which means Champion still dies afterward. I don't know anything about Champion's personality, but he was willing to make this sacrifice to save the entire multiverse. Ethan should understand. Three steps. I need 3 steps.
remember, despite doing our best, there is one moment, only one moment, when you will have to cross the line. I trust your judgment.
It's okay to remove them. This is a special event.
Are you sure?
Not my word. Champion said.
Then you must be pretty sure. Screw you all. You should be grateful that even after your betrayal, Champion still spared your lives. As he's the only one we have respect for. Not you. Is Juggernaut still on his mission? You know, it would be nice to have him here, just in case.
He's busy enough, but he said he'll show up if I send him the signal.
Isn't he in another country?
How long do you think it's gonna take him to arrive?
Greetings, my people. I appreciate the time you spare for me. We went through a lot together. As even in our darkest hours, we decided to keep balance and protect the weak. For that, I am grateful. But now a greater threat is upon us. A clock, which I pity him for his poor choice of the way to use his powers. Is seeking a purpose we should not allow to happen. Not only our world, but the fate of the whole multiverse depends on it. Something's off. Call Juggernaut.
Huh? You mean TVs?
No, it's different. I should do something, but I don't know what. And remember, despite doing our best, there is one moment, only one moment, when you will have to cross the line. I trust your judgment. I should do something before...
Ethan? What is that clock? Ethan?
Champion. He can't die. It's impossible. He can't die like that. Look, he's not dead.
Ethan, pull yourself together.
Stand down! What are you doing here?
Saving the multiverse. Ethan's not gonna like this, but he will understand.